Jivan, Sivanana. This Jivan, there is no classification as men and women. So who said women is not spiritual or women is less in spirituality? It is not in that way. It can never be in that way. Men was, exaggerated. If some man becomes a spiritual person, he is being exaggerated. And it was been an understanding that spiritual person has to renounce everything. Who said they have to renounce everything? It is stupidity. Buddha has left the home. After marriage, at the time of delivery, he has left without attending to his wife and a child. For me, Buddha's wife is more spiritual than Buddha. If what happened, she has left the child and gone away. Who will feed the child? Spirituality for you is studying something about spirituality. I am not teaching any spirituality, that which you have studied in the name of spirituality. Spirituality is a science. It is not going away from anything. Sannyasam. Who said sannyasam is spirituality? I am talking about sandosham, happiness. I am saying the entire world is one human family. Sarvam Sivamayam. This is misunderstood. How can, when entire world being your family, you walking away from your family can be considered as a spirituality? No. So, men have done something nonsense in the name of spirituality. Women are already living a spiritual life. They are living a spiritual life. Fighting for your rights and rising above the present level is spirituality. Anybody who is helping another human being or being a source of health and happiness for other human being or facilitating other success is a spiritual person. Is a spiritual person. In that way, every woman is a spiritual being. Take Avaya, nobody can match her. Speaks the, beautiful explanation about the God. And many people doesn't know. Tirukkural is available for us only because of her fight. She made it possible. I can talk in a different way. Shakti is a woman, she is a spiritual thing. Lakshmi is also goddess, she is a spiritual woman. And Saraswati, I don't want to give the stories, these are all stories. There is no such thing called Lakshmi with a woman body is sitting somewhere and blessing you with the gold and money. No. So I can make use of your belief system and I can, satisfy your ego. I'm not telling, I'm talking on the next level. Every human being is a spiritual being and every woman is a spiritual being. You are already spiritual, you are thinking I need to do something to become a spiritual person. No. You are the one who is helping your child to grow. Maintain a healthy body. Deliver a healthy child. You are more spiritual than a spiritual woman who is fasting during the pregnancy and delivering an unhealthy child. I have not told for a joke. Considering this as a criteria, Buddha's wife is more spiritual than Buddha. 200%. And above all, it is a gift to be a woman. Because if in case the world need to change, a phenomenal change in a very short span of time, then it need to start working on women's health and happiness. The entire shift to the humanity can happen only when there is a beautiful shift that is happening to the, power of the woman, not power of the men. Even if it is Krishna, he need a woman to save him from the death. And then he reached Yashoda. Devaki is able to do that with the help of a woman, not with the help of a king. Even if you want Jesus to come down to this planet Earth and talk about his father, he may come without a father, with a physical body, but he needs a woman with a physical body. Nobody can question it. In that way, she is more spiritual than Jesus. And above all, let me put it in a very simple way. Nobody can take care of someone as a woman does. As a woman does. You need to know in reality. These are things which I want to reveal about the women since we are talking about women's spirituality now. People think that women are weak. No, women are soft and strong. Men is very, hard and weak. They misunderstand this hardness as strength. No. Why? I'll tell you what is practically happening. I've seen my own students sharing their happiness of saying, Guruji, I am from a village. I took my parent to a mall and brought them beautiful dressing. They don't feel shy about it. They don't feel bad about it. But if it is a boy child, not everybody will do that. But most of the boy child will feel, little disgusted. They're not happy to take their parents from the village side to the mall and buy them some good, at least just go for a shopping. But most of the women will happily go, with their mother, with their father. In a colloquial way, when you have a girl child at home, they just like that call, "Aao beta." They call their daughter as a tomboy when she is very active. "Guruji, my daughter is a tomboy." And she always says, "No, Guruji, you cannot call your boy and say he is a tomgirl. You'll be offended." You understand? He'll be offended. That's the beauty of a woman. A male remains as a male, but a woman already remains as a divine because she lives as a human carrying both the gender in her. A male body can never create a female body. A female body is the only source by which every male body is created. So they are already spiritual. They are already divine. You need to understand that. Children, when they play around, their father used to call, "Kanna inga vada, unakku enada." They used to speak vada poda with their girl child. You try to speak that with your boy child, "Hey inga vadi," he'll be very upset. Don't take it light. Take it very serious. From now you should never think women are less in spiritual power. No, not at all. To bring the real change to the world, the change has to happen to women. So you being a woman, never put that question again. Tell it to the entire world. This world needs spirituality. And for that, women does not need spirituality. Listen to this. In fact, spirituality needs a woman who understands by nature you are spiritual. You will not be able to accept it, but listen to it carefully. Till this moment, any problem that has happened in this entire world in the name of war, in the name of partition, in the name of discrimination, in the name of religion, is all done not by human. It is done only by stupid men. It is impossible till now and even before. Till now, there is no such thing called war or discrimination has never happened due to a woman. It is a fight between one nation men and other nation men in the beginning. It's a fight between one religious man and other religious men, which is still happening. You can never find in history, or you will never find in this world, in this beautiful planet Earth, fight within the people, fight within the society, or fight within the nation, or fight in the name of religion was never initiated, will never be done by women. You never have a fight between a Christian woman and a Muslim woman. You never had a fight between a Hindu woman and a Muslim woman. Please understand. So you want it or not, never even think that you are less in spirituality. Spirituality needs women because the world needs spirituality. Aham Brahmasmi.